lonesome highway east of Omaha. You could listen to the engines moaning out his one old song. You could think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. When you're riding 16 hours, there's nothing much to do, and you don't feel much like riding. You just wish the trip was through. Here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. There I go, then star again. There I go, turn the page. So we walk into this restaurant, all strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking out the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. Yeah, most times you can't hear 'em talk. Other times you get on the same old cliches. Is it woman? Is it man? And you always seem outnumbered. Don't dare make a stand. Make your stand. Now here I am on the road again. There I am up on the stage. Here I go, I'm playing star again. There I go, turn the page. Whoa, out there in the spotlight, you're a million miles away. Every ounce of energy you try and give away, as the sweat pours out your body like the music that you play. Later in the evening, as you lie awake in bed, with the echoes of the amplifiers ringing in your head, you smoke the day's last cigarette, remembering what she said.